Hello, this is Richard Collins in Oklahoma City, and perhaps you have one of these VersaLink B405 Xerox copier, and it's saying replace the drum. It's really easy to replace the drum in this machine. Open it up, grab the handle here. You got another handle here, okay? And you're going to set this one down. This is the old one. You're going to unpackage the new one, okay? And you come back with the new one, and it slides right in. Now you'll probably have to take your toner out of the old one, and remember, you just put it straight up, pull it out, and you put it in your new one, and you're ready to go. So it's really easy to change the drum in the Xerox VersaLink B405.